Hi guys, have you ever feel like umur 25, 27, tapi hidup kok rasanya kayak belum jadi apa-apa? Kita scroll Instagram, ngeliat hidup orang kok kayaknya rapi-rapi banget ya. Ada yang udah married, ada yang udah karirnya naik, ada yang udah keliling dunia. Meanwhile you masih bingung mau ngapain. Masih questioning yourself, masih ngerasa kok gue gini-gini aja ya. I have felt that. If that's you, welcome to your mid-20s, and trust me, you're going to be okay. Your mid-20s is not about having everything figured out. Di umur segini tuh kita lagi di fase transisi dari mimpi lalu realita. Katanya nanti, jadi sekarang harus mulai. Dan jujur aja, ini fase yang capek mentally, emotionally, dan capek juga harus compare diri sendiri dengan orang lain. But here's the truth no one tells you. Confusion is not a sign of failure, it's a sign of growth. Kalau kamu masih bingung, artinya kamu masih peduli sama hidup kamu, right? So, stop comparing timelines. One of the biggest mistakes in your 20s is thinking life has one timeline. Padahal hidup bukan lomba lari. It's not siapa yang paling cepat sukses, siapa yang paling cepat mendapatkan apa yang dia mau. Some people bloom at 22, some at 30, some at 40, dan itu semua valid. Jadi kalau sekarang kamu belum sampai di sana, di titik yang kamu mau, it doesn't mean you're late, it just mean you're on your own path. So stop asking kenapa dia bisa gue belum, and you have to start asking apa yang bisa gue pelajari dari fase ini. I want to tell you a fact, the truth that anyone sometimes get it wrong. Self-growth is boring, not aesthetic. Self-growth itu bukan quotes aesthetic, bukan boring routine jam 5, jam 6, journaling yang katanya kelihatan aesthetic di kamera. Most of the time, self-growth looks like bangun dengan rasa takut tapi tetap kerja, nangis malam tapi besoknya tetap lanjut kerja, tetap lanjut doing your things, making boring decision that future will thank you for. Self-growth itu seringnya sepi. Gak ada yang tepuk tangan buat kamu, gak ada juga yang bakal apresiasi. Ya, if you have someone, if you have a person that always appreciate you, good for you. Di umur 20-an kamu gak bisa kontrol semuanya. You can control orang lain yang sukses duluan, omongan orang, dan hidup yang kadang so unfair. But you can control how you show up every day, what you learn, and how you talk to yourself. Small progress is still a progress, okay? So, being success in mid-20s itu bukan cuma soal uang atau jabatan. Sometimes it could looks like bertahan hidup tanpa kehilangan diri sendiri, belajar bilang no tanpa rasa takut, tanpa rasa bersalah, keluar dari hubungan yang bikin kamu merasa kecil, dan mulai kenali diri kamu yang sebenarnya. So, kalau hari ini kamu masih belajar, masih sangat jauh, masih harus bangun lagi, you already have something to be proud of. So here's the gentle reminder. If no one told you this today, let me say it. You are not behind, you're not failing, and you are becoming.